guys, this is a wall mirror that I just recently made and I really love the way this looks. I didn't want to make a mirror that's going to be a circle or a square. I wanted something with a different shape, and this is what I came up with. The story behind this mirror, you guys, is so funny. I was just fooling around at home and I made this. I loved the shape, and now the problem would be how to make it into an actual mirror. So I took a board and I made a circle in the middle with the size of the mirror that I'm going to be using. In here, I'm just going to be drawing an irregular pattern to start off the design. And this is the pattern that I came up with. And then I cut it all out using a pair of scissors. And here I'm going to be drawing lines all over within the middle. To make it easier for me, I drew out few lines first before I fill them up with other lines. And I'm going to be cutting all these lines that you see right here with scissors. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And now I'm done with the cutting. So the next thing here is that I'm going to be taking some parts of the strips that's on the lower curve and then add them together like this. And I'm going to be using a hot glue gun to glue them all together. And it's going to be one after the other. And I'll keep doing this until I get to a certain height or the size that I desire. I am using a red poster board because I didn't see my usual black or white. So yeah, this is a poster board and not a paper. You can see the way I'm actually struggling to put the strips over because it's hard. So this is a hard poster board and not a paper. This is what it looks like, and this is how high I want it to be. And remember, it's going to be done at all of the lower curves. The whole idea here is to create a certain height and also with depth that's going to make the mirror look more interesting at the end of the day. I did that for all the designs, but making sure that I leave 3 strips in between each and every one of the designs that I made. This is a round board that I cut out that I'm going to be using for the middle for the design. And now I'm going to be putting the designs that I made on the board and taking a pencil to just mark out the points where they're going to meet on the board. To put the design together, I'm going to be using craft sticks and embroidery hoop. So I put the embroidery hoop around the circle, the round board that I made, and then the craft sticks are going to be placed where the points that I made will be. And I'm going to be gluing them down using a hot glue gun. I was done, I did the same thing at the back. And now I'm going to be gluing down the design onto the points where they meet on the board. I'm gluing these designs like this because I want to create an illusion like the design is on its own and it's not really resting on anything. So the sides that you see there where you have the strips that are on their own, it's open. So when you hang it on the wall, it's going to be open. This is what we have. Now this is what it looks like at the back. Now for the top, I'm going to be gluing down the 3 strips also to the board. Now I'm just going to gauge if the mirror fits, and it does. So the next thing will be to cut out all this excess that's showing. I used my hand to just cut it off a bit, and then I used the scissors. That way it makes it so much easier to cut them down. This is what it looks like. And then I cut out some of the outer parts just to make it look a little bit better. And I spray painted it gold. These are 1-inch mirrors that I glued at the outer parts of the design. I also used these gems as part of the design. And then I took 1/2-inch mirrors and more gems with the gems that are on the strip to form more designs in the middle. And now here's the light that I'm going to be using. And I will glue these lights at the back just to create a more nice effect for the design. So this is how I glue the lights down. And to cover up the wires, I use this board just to make it look a little bit neater. And this is more like a command strip, but it's what I have. And I'm going to be using it to attach the battery pack to the back of the design. I use this hook at the back to hang it on the wall. And it's easy to turn your lights on and off. I really love the overall turnout of this mirror design because I just love the shape it gives on the wall. From afar you would think it's glued to the wall, but it's not. It just has that effect. And it's not round, neither is it square or a rectangle. Let me know in the comments section below what you think about this design, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box down below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.